What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Spider-Man India without his mask on. So Pavitr Prabhakar, I think, is the Indian name. Pavitr Prabhakar. Probably not saying it right at all. So this is the best one I could find of his face. So he's kind of like looking off to the right-hand side. Let's give it a go. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Center point of my page is about here. The eyes will be along this center line. So, top eyelid line, diagonal. This eye goes underneath hair a fair bit, but we'll draw it in and we can erase after. So we just go diagonal down that way. And he's got like big eyelashes sort of at the end, so it's like a thicker line kind of at the corner. Eyelid lines are usually thicker than other lines. Right, and then bottom eyelid line just comes across here, up like so. So iris inside, so just like a circle or coming down from the top eyelid line, like so. And he seems to be looking off to the right, but we'll go, say, here. It's kind of a long circular eye as well, and it's just black inside. Okay, and then he has another line underneath the eye here, and an eyelid line just on top, like so. Can't see his eyebrow really, it's underneath the hair. We can see the other one, so we'll just go over and do the other eye. So we go diagonal up. You're about eye width over, so like the width of his eye will fit in between both those eyes, and then bring that across. And again, big sort of eyelashes on the end, thicker line than the rest. Right, and then bottom eyelid line, like so. And then iris and pupil, again, another sort of circle coming down from the top eyelid, just touches the bottom eyelid, like so. And then an ovalish sort of iris, black pupil, sorry, not iris, like so. Eyelid lines, like skin around the eye, one there, one here, and then we can see the eyebrow on this side. It's kind of raised up pretty high up, down there, and then it spikes back up, and then we join these two together, like so. So the other eyebrow is like here, but you can't really see the rest. You could draw it in if you wanted, of course. Right, he's got like a blue headband just coming across the top here. Right, and then the hair, there's a piece of hair that like comes out from the top somewhere here. Well, we'll do the rest of the face first, sorry. So nose line, I thought about it and changed my mind. So nose line there, and then nostrils underneath, 1, 2, and then they draw in just the side skin of the nostrils, like so. And his mouth, so smiling quite big, so it starts underneath his pupil, so you just have this kind of dimple in the corner, and the other one's underneath the pupil as well. No, it's more in here actually. Must be in a little 3/4 pose underneath the nose. Right, that's the width of the mouth, and then we got smile line just coming across here. like so. And then he has a bottom lip line. They don't draw in the top lip. It's just shaded in, but I think I'll put it in like this. It's like a stretched out sort of letter M kind of shape going into the corner of the mouth there. It's like shaded in. They have a darker piece of skin here, so I think drawing it in I think it looks better when it's drawn in. And then his chin, so roughly just here. And then he's in 3/4 pose a little bit, and this side of his jaw is covered with hair, right? So we'll bring it up to like here. You could go the whole way if you wanted, but we can see his jaw on the other side. So it goes like there, and then change direction and go up towards the side of his face. And we can see a sideburn of hair here, like a hair spike just coming down. Like so. And then his ear on this side just comes around to there. And then ear lines inside, the easiest way is just like a letter J. But you can also add more if you want. So the hair, right? So top of the headband, we can just see a little bit of it here. And then we have hair that like comes out this way, right? So we'll go around here first. Right, kind of like spikes to here and then back up into there, right? Right, we'll do like texture lines just here. And then we have a small one this side. Right, so the part in his hair is like here in this section, right? So there's lots of ways of drawing his hair. They just do it like all black and then just put these purple lines. So let's see. So we'll just go down this way, and it kind of comes across his eye like this. And sort of comes out to a spike here. Back up. It's kind of wavy. Goes into there. And you can put like loads of sort of texture lines and stuff on these if you want, of course. And we just keep going, right? So top of his hair is here, and there'll be all these texture lines coming out from his head. And this is just like big flowing sort of hair spikes. You know, it's like a L'Oreal ad or something. Real sort of crazy long on this side. Of course, you'd erase anything you draw over. Maybe like another spike here. Under here, maybe. Okay, right. That's what we're going for. And texture lines, they do it with like purple sort of edge lines to it. And then we got like some more on this side, so like coming out here, right? Like that. And then, so this. Texture going all that way. Okay, so that's his hair basically. Might be a little bit coming down the side of his cheek here, but we got to draw his neck first. So neck comes out there, the other side here. And then there seems to be like another piece of hair that must flow that way or something, down behind his shoulder. There might be another one over here, so we'll go down that way. And I think there is more hair here. comes over his shoulder there. And the other shoulder comes off that way. And then we can just see a neck muscle. Can't see collarbones or anything, but we probably maybe should. No, maybe not. Maybe just another neck muscle there. Yeah, we're just above the collarbone line. So we'll just do that. That's it. So, Pavitr Prabhakar, Peter Parker in Spider-Man India form. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.